Welcome, I'm the Word Nerd, and this is Cunning the Class Ministries. Welcome to another Faith Bullet Journal video. Yes, my friends, it is already October. Well, it will be tomorrow, but anyway. So, yeah, we're just jumping right into my verse page. I actually was able to record myself doing it this month. Pretty excited about that. So, my verse page is, in whom we have redemption through his blood for the forgiveness of sins. It's in Colossians. And yeah, so my theme is this month is blood, not because it's October and Halloween. I absolutely despise and hate Halloween, but just because I think I was thinking on what my theme should be and everything, and this came to my mind. And I think sometimes we forget what our sins really cost, and I think this is a good reminder. Like, it costs blood. Like, it's not a little thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I just did some blood dripping off the word blood, and I think it came out pretty good. This month is going to be really simple for my setup, because I honestly didn't do much in my faith journal last month. I mean, it was more just Bible study. I didn't do any dailies or anything like that. I just have Bible study notes in it, and I didn't really keep up with what I read or gratitude or music or anything that I normally do. So I just wanted to do pretty simple this month, and yeah. So we're jumping into the cover page. It's just blood dripping and then October. I'm not sure why I really didn't do much in my faith journal. Like I said, I did still study and I did still write notes, but it wasn't my normal. And so I think a lot of it has to do with I'm in my regular bullet journal a lot, because that's how I plan my weeks, and that's just where I do a lot. I like sketch my videos out or do notes for my videos there, and I just do a lot of like homeschool stuff there as well. So I'm thinking on actually combining my two journals, but the thing is I love doing these setups, so I'm trying to think of a way to do that, but I have so much information in both that I don't want to get rid of both and do another one without finishing them. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish both of them, and then, or at least one of them, whichever is full first, and then I'll switch to maybe combining both of them. We'll see. I think that would help me. So yeah, then so the next page is going to be my calendar, kind of, and also my gratitude. Instead of making just like drawing a calendar, I'm just doing the days down the side, and so I split the page in half, so 1 through 31, and then so the first half you see is going to be where I read and study. The second half is gratitude. You can't really see the wording, but this next page is bless. So it's an acronym for how to really cover somebody in prayer. You can check out that video where I explained that. I think it's my last video. So then we just jump into a flip through. Hey, listen to my son talk when I was making this. It's really cute. So I'll see you next time, guys. God bless.
He's showing them. Who's watching?
Nobody right now.
Somebody's watching your video?
They will.
Huh?
They will.
If you made up, they'll not.